Hey guys, it is Amy, the relocated tourist, coming to you once again live from my driveway. It is December 10th, 2019. It is a beautiful Tuesday here in Orlando, Florida, and a warm 88 degrees. We're gonna dip back down to the 70s tomorrow. I know. I can just feel like the Northeast and the Midwest just like rolling their eyes at me. I totally get it. I understand. But yeah, so today I have been working on cleaning my house because my father comes in 2 days, and it is not stressful yet, but you just don't realize how dirty your house is until you really start actually really working on it. Like you find the weirdest things, like wrappers from months ago, or like, when did I drop that and why didn't I pick it up till now? Or like, I spent hours on my shower, hours. We have we have two bathrooms in the house. We have one in our master bedroom, and then the girls share one on the other side of the house. And my dad is taking Kira's room because we're in a little house right now, hopefully not next year, but he's taking Kira's room, and Kira is going to go in Craig's office for the week. So the bathroom situation, obviously we have an extra person for the bathrooms, but I am not going to subject my father to my child's shower. I'm going to clean it, but like I said before in another video, it probably needs an exorcist. So I honestly just, literally my bathroom actually needs an exorcist and an exorcism. If you watch any of my videos, we have a spirit in our house, and just, that was supposed to be a funny because the bathroom's just disgusting. So anyway, I have to go and clean that, but it's kind of one of those things where that's going to kind of be the overnight bathroom, and then dad, come to the other side of the house, come use our shower. So that is what I've been working on, and I didn't realize that my entire morning was gone doing and working on that. And we have one of those showers that has the tiles, and my next house, I am just going to look just scour the bathroom and just look at every nook and cranny before we get it, because I don't want tile in another. I would just like the regular bathtub that we all grew up with, just a bathtub. And then, I kind of like when it's just the line shower, not the tile, because the grout is such a pain in the butt to clean out. I swear I'm at a point that I may have to go get a toothbrush and work on it. I've had 2 different chemicals in there. I opened up all the windows because at some point I thought, I think I'm getting high off bleach. That's not a good thing. And I'd rather not pass away before my father gets here. So I have just been cleaning nonstop, and it's just been a morning. So, and yeah, so what's today? So the giveaway. So I always know whatever the date is, it's a day behind that is the giveaway. So it is day 9 of the giveaway. And what am I giving away today? This one is kind of a fun one as well, because we all know that Orlando is hot. Florida is hot. It's just hot here. You can't get away from it. And so when you come to Disney World, I always suggest big time that people take the precautions of the heat and figure out their day, their plans, honestly, by the weather as much as you can, but that humidity will get to you and it will zap your energy. So to help those out coming to Disney World next, or those who just want to use, these at home, I am giving away the brand new Disney Mister fan, which you can get these in the parks. I think they retail at this point like for $24.99 or $29.99 or something like that. So there is that one. And I'm giving away 2. That's correct, 2. So you just gotta add the batteries. That's it. The brand new Mister fans for the parks. And these are awesome, guys. They're just wonderful. So you can even use them obviously at home, with the kids during the summer if you don't obviously live in the heat like I do. And to accompany those 2 items, I'm also going to give away a brand new cooling towel. These are awesome. You just get it wet and you can put it on your neck and your face and whatever, but these are also a miracle. So that is what I'm giving away today. And the question of the day is, what do you do to stay cool in the parks? My family and I we would try as much as we can, which a lot of people do, is to coordinate between outside and inside attractions, especially between the noon and 4 o'clock. That's when it's absolutely the hottest here. Also, we really like to go back and use the pool at the hotel. Was always super nice, or take a cold shower or whatever. I see someone parked behind me and I'm like, what are they doing that I'm in my reindeer gear? It's always fun. Or he's gonna like trim my palm tree. Anyway, so yes, this is an exciting one, and it's really hard, honestly. I mean, if you have a resort with a pool, definitely take advantage of it. Also, let your kids nap as well. It's just a side note. Sorry, I'm completely distracted of what this guy is doing right now. It could be our tree. So we have a big, huge palm tree in our front yard, and the palm frond is like actually almost covering my entire front door, and we don't take care of that. Our HOA takes care of the lawn care, the pool care, and the trees, and we have had no one yet to come over and do our trees yet, so I don't know if that's what he's here for, but I'm hoping he's not going to come to my front door and then he's going to see me sitting in here with this on my face. So anyway, I hope you guys are having an awesome Tuesday. I will not be back in the parks probably until Dad gets here. Tomorrow is just more cleaning, more preparing, more everything, and then Thursday is when I go to get him at the airport. I filmed it when Mom came, and I just love that video. I'm actually glad, just for myself, not content. I just love watching the video of my mom coming, so he's probably going to be irritated if I film it, but I'm going to do it anyway. By the way, my dad looks like William Shatner. I always joke that he doesn't like this joke, but I'm going to share it with you. I always joke with people that I'm the love child of William Shatner and my mother. I guess you wouldn't think that's funny. I think it's funny. Look at William Shatner and look at my dad once you see him on camera. So anyway, have a great day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Love you. Bye.